Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now by isolating the damaged panel and removing contaminants so the filler bonds, clean with solvent and let it dry. Once done, abrade surrounding paint to 80-120 grit to create a keyed surface. Next, measure and mix the resin and hardener roughly 2:1 by volume. Knead for 30 to 60 seconds until uniform color and streak-free. Make sure to work quickly. The chemistry activates fast, and prepare your spreader and backing board while it's still workable. You now apply the filler in thin passes to avoid shrinkage and trapped air. Lay down a first thin coat, press firmly to fill voids, and feather edges. Once the first coat gels, apply a second or third pass to build shape, keeping each layer about 1/16 inch thick. Use a flexible spreader to follow panel contours and a wooden or foam backing for deep pits. Make sure to let each layer cure fully before trimming, because cutting too early causes tearing and poor finish. You finish by sanding the cured filler to final contour. Start with 80-120 grit to shape, then move to 180 and 320 for blending, and finish wet with 400-600 for smoothness. Once dust-free, blow and wipe the panel, then apply an epoxy or etch primer to seal the filler and promote paint adhesion. Make sure to allow the primer to flash and tack as specified before block sanding and painting. If you see sinkage or pinholes, reapply a thin layer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.